Once again, you're welcome to my channel. Christine is my name. Thanks for following, thanks for watching, thanks for liking my videos. It is yet another interesting video to showcase. So in this video, I'm going to take you through Excel errors and mistakes that occur when we are doing Excel worksheets. Excel errors happen due in many various ways. You may be working on some Excel document, you are working out a formula, it's not coming up. Just settle, watch this video, we shall resolve all those errors. We are going to discover them, learn about them, and we learn how to fix them. Okay, right away, let us go to some of those errors. How do those errors come up? And what are errors? What do they mean by saying errors? So I've prepared some slides for us here. Common mistakes and errors in Excel worksheets. Some of the common mistakes and errors in Excel worksheets. We are going to learn about those errors when typing. What happens to some of those formulas you are trying, they are not working out. Why? The problem is not with your computer, but the problem is with the formulas you are making, the formulas you are applying. Then a mistake may happen, maybe due to errors in typing. You're supposed to type like 69 and you type in 49. Excel may not realize it, but there will be a problem with your data. Okay, definition: a mistake is an error which occur in Excel worksheets. These mistakes, we manually correct them. So Excel may not help. For example, the name of the pupil was Christine and you type there Christopher. Excel may not know. So it's about you to look through your data and get that error, that mistake. Then an error results due to incorrect use of a formula. So for an error, Excel may help you detect it until you get the right formula to what you want. Now, some of the common mistakes in Excel: we have data entry mistakes, e.g. missing data, incorrect data, and inconsistent formatting. Meaning you are putting in incorrect data in your Excel, or you are formatting inconsistently. Then calculation mistakes, e.g. incorrect formatting, failure to update formulas when data changes, incorrect use of arithmetic operators. For example, you changed some of the data, maybe students' records, you tried to change and you didn't change the formula after. That's what's called calculation mistakes. Then reference mistakes, e.g. incorrect or missing sheet names and incorrect references. Then you also have logical mistakes, e.g. incorrect use of if statements, incorrect use of and or operators. When you use these formulas wrongly, you'll make a mistake in your Excel worksheet. Then how can you avoid some of those mistakes? When you're typing in, first of all, before leaving your document, first double check formulas and data entry before saving it completely. You have to double check your formulas and data entry. Then test and validate those calculations you have used to ensure that you have entered the right data. Use named references which Excel can recognize. Then document your worksheets clearly. Okay, so those are some of those mistakes which we come across when working in Excel worksheets. So whether you're a learner or beginner or professor, this video will surely not leave you the same. At least you are going to learn something about it. Those are the common mistakes. So let us go to some of these errors. Let us go to some of the errors. So here are some of the errors. I prepared them in some Word document. Here are some of the errors we may come across when working on Excel worksheets. Here is a brief explanation of how common Excel errors occur. So this is my Excel sheet. We are going to discover them using this Excel sheet. See how we can fix it. Right, let us start with the first one. we get this one, division over 0, div /0. This error occurs when a formula attempts to divide a number by 0. For example, if you have a formula like is equal to a1 over ab and ab is completely empty, is 0 or empty, Excel will display this error. Let us find it out. How might this come up? Okay, let us use, just say is, remember when working in Excel, always start with equal signs. Is equal to division, is equal to this, divide it by a 0, enter. Meaning if you are dividing a number in a certain cell by a 0, it will give you that error. What you have to do is check and see, is there any problem, like any mistake somewhere. Excel should display these errors to make sure you enter the right data, so don't get annoyed. But remember, we can solve this mistake. We are going to solve it together. So the other way this error can also come up is you dividing a cell with a number and a cell with nothing. Let us try it out. Is equal to this cell divided by an empty cell, enter. You see, meaning there are very many ways this error may come up, but for me I've shown you some of those two ways. But remember, these errors can be fixed. So how can we fix this error, division over 0? What you have to do is type in the correct numbers. I'm using cell D4, divide it by cell E4, enter. You see, we'll give you the right answer, but here just because you're putting in a wrong formula, that's why and this error comes up. Wow, our error number 2 is value or hashtag, is hashtag value. How does this error come up? This error usually happens when a formula has the wrong type of argument. For instance, trying to perform a mathematical operation on text values instead of numbers will trigger this error. Wow, let's find it out. Now we have to discover the things. Don't get annoyed when you're working with Excel. It is not giving you an answer and you get pissed. No, some of these errors can be solved. Is equal to sum of, assuming I'm adding this cell plus a text value. Remember, they say this error happens when you are putting in a wrong argument. For example, working on a mathematical operation on text values. So I'm doing this number plus this number. See what Excel will give me, enter. See, meaning Excel does not recognize text values in your formula. So when you're calculating, don't put in text values. It will not give you an answer. But then, how can we fix this value, this error value? Just put in the right formula. Is equal to sum. We are trying to work it out the right way. Is equal to sum of this plus this. You see, meaning when you put in the right formula, it will give you the answer. But at first, when I was calculating text and the value and a number, that's why it said hashtag value. It does not recognize text values in your formula. That is solved. Hoping we are learning. We got the next error. Our next error is reference. This error also often happens. This error occurs when a document refers to a cell that has been deleted or is not valid. For example, if you have a formula that references cell A1 and you delete A1, you see this formula. Meaning reference, this error reference here will come up when you work out an operation and after delete one of the cells. Let us try it out. Is equal to, let me get the product. of 90 and product of 90 and 71. Enter. It has given us an answer. But then after you have calculated like that, then after maybe by mistake you try deleting this other cell which you used to calculate. Say delete, shift cells up. Okay. Meaning you have removed one of the cells which you used to calculate. That's why this reference comes about. Then the next error will be, so when you're calculating, be careful. You may delete some of the cells, maybe unknowingly, and you present your work with these errors. It will not be good, especially to your supervisor. Okay, the other error is name. This here, error 4. This error is when Excel does not recognize text in a formula. It could be due to misspelled function name or missing quotation mark or undefined range. Let's find it out. So this error name comes in when Excel does not recognize text in a formula due to misspelled function name or missing quotation mark or undefined named range. Let's try it and see. How does that name come about, that error? Remember, we are resolving errors in Excel. How does it come about? Is equal to, for example, you want to subtract and you say diff of this, meaning error Excel does not recognize diff is not there. If you want to subtract and you say diff, Excel will not recognize it. So when you put in unrecognized text here, Excel will not help you. It will give you an error. Or maybe you are working with an if function, and you forget out the dollar signs. Obviously this error will come in. So when you see this error, don't run away. No, just check your formula, what you have used in Excel. Okay, another error is num, error 5, num. This error happens when a formula or function contains invalid numeric values, such as using a negative number in a function that requires a positive number, or when a formula generates a number that's too large or too small to be represented. So how does this num come about? Num will come about when, for example, you want to get the square root and use a negative. Remember, Excel does not recognize a negative square root of a number. Then maybe, let's see how it will come up. Just say it's equal to, suppose I want to get the factorial of 1,000. See, meaning 1,000 is too big for Excel to handle. That's why it has given us that error, num. Another way this num may come about is maybe you are finding the square root of negative, should I say negative 64? See, meaning Excel does not recognize a square root of a negative number. So what you have to do is type in the square root of 64. Wow, you see, it has given me the answer because I've used the right formula. Wow, Excel is so interesting and intelligent. In fact, all of us should embrace Excel. It will help you recognize your errors, help you in everything. Then to fix these errors, there are very many errors in Excel you may come about. There's also this one that we shall discover more and more as we move on. To fix these errors, check the formula syntax and ensure that all the cell references and data types are correct. You can also use Excel's built-in error checking features or help functions to diagnose and recognize and resolve issues. Remember, when you are typing in, Excel will be telling you know you have put in too much for it, what, like those notifications which come about, they are hoping you recognize your errors so that you make perfect worksheets. So these are the errors we've discovered: div, value, name, number, reference. Though there are many more, we shall keep on discovering more and more. Well, thanks for following, thanks for watching my videos, thanks for being a good audience. Just know, don't forget to subscribe, follow, comment and share. If at all you have any questions, don't hesitate to go to my comment section. Don't forget to go to my comment section. I'll help you with in fact I'm going to hope I'll explain and do more clarification on some of the subjects you want more clarification. Wow, bye bye, till next time. Till next time. Till next time.